Online reading tutorials for children. Lesson 13. Letter H. Capital or big letter H and small letter h. The H says say Let's read. Hand, horse, hat, house, helicopter, heart. Now it's your turn.
Nice job!
The O says owl, ostrich, ox, octopus. It's your turn.
You put a smile on my face!
Let's read. P, A, T, P, A, T, pot, pot. A, T, A, T, hot, hot. L, A, G, L, A, G, log, log. Now it's your turn.
Good thinking! Good thinking!
Draw a happy face in the box if the beginning sound of the picture is Use your pad paper and write your answers there. Pause this video and start now. Let's check. Happy face, heart. Happy face, house. Happy face, helicopter. Happy face, hat. If your answers are correct,
You're a genius! You're a genius!
next activity, say yes if the beginning sound of the picture is Say no if it's not. Are you ready? Begin. Let's see if your answers are correct. Hand, yes. House, yes. Ball, no. Hat, yes. Tent, no. Cat, no. Heart, yes. Horse, yes. If your answers are correct, then
Excellent, excellent.
goodbye. See you soon.